Did you know that behind every major company merger, stock market listing, and trillion-dollar trade, there's an investment banker that is making it happen? From helping businesses grow to connecting companies with global markets, these professionals keep the financial world running. Hi, I'm Abby and I'm one of our program managers here at InvestIN. I actually run our investment banking program alongside some of our other careers. So welcome to our Breaking Into series where we show you clear paths into different careers. And today we're going to be looking at how to get into investment banking, which is great if you're interested in finance, you enjoy analysing business opportunities or want to be at the centre of global markets. So investment banking might sound complex, but it's based on two simple things: trust and return. Banks exist because they're trusted to help companies and people grow their money. Unlike retail banks that serve everyday customers on the high street, investment banks mainly work with companies, governments, and institutions, and they typically operate through two main divisions. So you've got the market division, where professionals trade stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments on the trading floors. And then on the other side, you've got the corporate finance division, where bankers help companies to kind of grow by raising money through settling shares, issuing debt, or merging with other businesses. So whether it's helping a startup go public or advertising on a multi-billion-dollar merger, investment banks are at the centre of how businesses fund their growth and development. Let's take a look at some of the main roles in investment banking. As I mentioned, the market side. Within this, you've got the salespeople. So they focus on building relationships with clients and connecting them with trading opportunities. Alongside them, you've got the traders. So they are the ones that execute the trades, they manage the risk, and they also help the research division. So the research division analyses companies and markets to provide investment insights. These teams all work together. So in the other division, you've got the corporate finance roles. So mergers and acquisitions, or M&A for short, they advise companies on buying, selling, or merging with other businesses. Then you've also got the equity capital markets. They help companies raise money by selling shares. And finally, you've got debt capital markets. So they assist companies in borrowing money through bonds and loans. Obviously, there are so many more roles attached to this, but this is just a few that we explore on the program. Speaking of our summer program, during our summer experience, students get to experience both sides of banking, from participating in live trading competitions at the London Academy of Trading to structuring mock deals. What many discover is how these roles connect with each other. A major company merger might start with M&A bankers structuring this deal, but then that involves bringing the traders, the salespeople, and the researchers on side as well as the deal moves forward. So how do you prepare for a career in investment banking? Most people kind of take the traditional route, which is a university degree or a degree apprenticeship. So most investment bankers have degrees in finance, economics, business, or mathematics, though banks do hire students from a range of different backgrounds if you can demonstrate the right skills and interests. There's also internships. So there's spring weeks. These are short programs that obviously happen in the spring, and they're open to first-year university students. And then leading on from this, you can usually obtain a summer internship. These are crucial stepping stones because most banks hire for their graduate schemes. So finally, yes, to mention graduate programs. They're a structured 2 to 3 year program that rotates you through the different areas of the bank so you can really get a feel for what you enjoy most. So besides qualifications, banking also requires a certain set of skills. To mention a few, you kind of need strong numerical abilities, commercial awareness, and attention to detail. You need to be a good team player and be able to communicate effectively. A lot of bankers need the ability to work under pressure and also need key problem-solving skills. Banks look for people who can demonstrate these qualities through academics, extracurriculars, and work experience. So you don't need to be a maths genius, but you should be comfortable working with numbers and analysing data. So here are some of my top tips for starting your investment banking journey. First of all, start early. Banks recruit on a strict timeline, especially for their spring week applications, and these often open in your first year of university. These can often lead, as I mentioned, to summer internships, and then they can lead to graduate offers. So make sure you get in there as soon as you can and apply to as many different ones as possible. Second thing, network. Network effectively. So when you attend insight events, talk to professionals there, really use them. ask thoughtful questions about market trends or recent deals, exchange contact details and follow up afterwards. LinkedIn is also a really good tool for this. Build commercial awareness. Read about financial news regularly. The Financial Times, Bloomberg, so many different resources out there which can help you understand the markets and build knowledge for interviews. You want to gain that relevant experience to really build your CV. Create a virtual investment banking portfolio. Join finance groups or societies at university, or participate in trading competitions to develop your practical skills. And finally, practice numerical tests. Banking applications often involve multiple stages, including a mix of online tests and in-person assessment centres. These will all include some sort of numerical activity. Don't be put off or discouraged by rejection. Many successful bankers face multiple no's before getting their break. So to conclude, investment banking offers exciting career opportunities for people who enjoy fast-paced environments and have strong analytical skills. The hours can be long, especially early in your career, but the work is so varied and it exposes you to many aspects of global business. To try investment banking firsthand, you can join us at InvestIN for our Young Investment Banker programme. And hopefully I'll see you there too. You'll participate in a live trading competition at the London Academy of Trading. You'll learn how to value companies and structure deals. And you'll also, most importantly, get to meet these professionals that I've been speaking about. They come from so many different backgrounds, and a lot of them come from major investment banks. You'll also get the opportunity to develop the specific skills that banks look for in candidates, and kind of really build on your experience to strengthen your university applications. Remember, success in banking isn't just about financial knowledge. It's about understanding business, markets, and what drives economic decisions. So if you want to see more videos about getting into investment banking, let us know in the comments below.